What's going on, YouTube? What's good? Y'all already know, man. It's your boy, Daily Dose of Lows. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a vlog. So, today's episode, or this vlog, I should say, really is, as y'all seen the title, Rendezvous in the Ozarks. So, y'all are probably wondering what I'm doing here, recording while I'm at home. So, two things. One, I do have a couple clips, a little bit of video shot from my weekend in the Ozarks. And then two, so that'll come after this clip. But I do want to kind of go over a little bit of why the clip is so small, or why the clips are essentially so short regarding this past weekend, right? So, while I was in the Ozarks, or at the Rendezvous in the Ozarks event, long story short, I showed up Friday around 5 p.m. I ended up meeting up with a gentleman by the name of Rich that I met on Facebook. Really cool guy, man. I ended up camping with him and his buddy Mac, and it was a really great experience, man, to show up and just allowed to enjoy this adventure with these two gentlemen I've never met in person, just online, right? And I think that's really great thing about camping, or that's one great thing to me about camping, and just this whole off-roading, overlanding, camping experience. Lifestyle, is I didn't know these gentlemen. We all come from different walks of life, on how we got where we're at and where we're continuing to go forward in our lives, and just to be allowed to enjoy camp with them, to hear their stories and share, that was actually probably one of the coolest things. So I didn't get a real chance to record, and one of the reasons why I was just more so kind of like what I've talked to one of my other videos is living in the moment and just enjoying what it was, hearing their stories, hanging out with them. And that was just all throughout camp, everything from breakfast to dinner and just hanging out, right? And then two, I did try to record on the trail, but it was really dusty, so I didn't have a chance to really set the camera up. And it was in a convoy style, so there was like 15, no, I think it was like 10 and 15 trucks, if I remember right. And so we were just moving through the trail, so I didn't get a real chance to, set up shots or whatnot, and I didn't really want to inconvenience you guys, inconvenience the people in the group with the recording. So versus recording or going by myself, again, I enjoyed the moment, lived with my friends, and I think that is one of the greatest things about the overlanding experience, is just enjoying the moment, enjoying it, the scenery, the experience, being with your friends there, family, whatever, right? So that's a little bit of why I don't have that much clips. I will get you guys some clips here, and I didn't get no drone footage. It's just it wasn't able to fly the drone there, and that's just because of there being a runway, and there's some planes. So got to respect the laws and whatever regulations. So nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clips after this. So I hope you guys enjoy it, man. I am planning on heading back to the Rendezvous in the Ozarks in 2021 next year, right? Hopefully that's not the only expo of next year. So with that being said, though, I hope you guys enjoyed. What I do have is just a little bit, so this clip should be kind of small. But with that being said, I'm out. If y'all like it, hit that like, hit that share button for me. Hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And in the meantime, Rich and Mac, if you guys are watching this, again, I can't thank you guys enough for the experience, the hospitality, the stories, and just being able to enjoy the weekend with you two gentlemen. May our paths meet and cross again. With that being said, I'm out. Daily Dose of Lows, fam. Have a good one. Peace.